Hello guys, welcome to my channel and Easy One. So in this video, I want to talk about the new update about this Telegram bot, which will pay you free USDT by just spinning the wheel game without you investing anything into this bot. So what this bot does is that you spin the wheel showing on the screen, and once you spin the wheel, you earn free USDT without you investing anything. And the USDT which you earn from these bots, you can easily cash out to your crypto wallet. So to get started with this bot, all you need to do is to watch the previous video which I made about this particular Telegram bot. So you can see the video which I made about this particular bot. So all you need to do is to watch this video which I made about this particular bot so that you know how to get started with this particular bot. So the new update on how you can earn passive from this bot is by spinning the wheel. And you should just saw me, I just spin right now. Also by completing some tasks. So what you need to do is to go to where it says mine. So once you go to where it says mine, you can see some tasks given to you here. So you can see that I've completed some tasks on my dashboard. So you can see that this particular task which I complete, they will be giving me a point of 8,888 points, and this point is converted to real USDT. And you can see on my dashboard up, you can see that I have about 11,342 points, which is also converted to 1.13 USDT. Also, you can also claim some free points by daily checking. So you can see that I've claimed my points for today. So you can also earn free points by daily checking. And also lastly, to earn more from this game is by playing their games. So all you need to do is to go to where it says game. So this is the game dashboard. You can see there are so many games in this dashboard. So these are the new update I want to talk about to you guys. You can see there are different games you can play, like such as the Go Rush, Money Coming, Dragon Tiger, Lucky Spin. So all these games given to you here, all you need to do to play the game is that the points which you earn from those tags is what you use in playing the games. For example, once you enter the game you want to play, you have to bet some amount of points depending on the amount of points you have. So you have to bet the amount of points. If you win, you get double, but if you lose, your points will be gone. So you minimize the way you bet with your points. So this is the most passive way of earning from this game. So this particular update is for those who don't know how to refer someone into the particular bot, because in my previous video I made about this particular bot, and about how the bot was is that for every spin which you spin, you need to invite at least one person to get one free ticket. So if you invite one person to this bot, you'll be given one free ticket. And not everyone has the ability or the capacity to bring someone into this bot. That is why they brought the new update about launching their game. And this particular game, all you need to do is that you don't need to invest anything into the bot. All you need to do is to complete the tasks given to you here. So this task which you complete, you can see the points given to you here. So you can see that I have 11,342 points. So those tasks given to you, that is what you use in playing the games. So this is what you can use in playing all the games given to you in this dashboard. So there are so many games which you can play. You should go ahead and play any game of your choice. But for me, I also do the invite process and also play their games too, because you can see that I have about 10,000, and that 10,000 points is for free. They gave me the points for free. So once you sign up using my link, you are going to get free 10,000 points for free without you investing anything. So once you get that points for free, you also come to the game session and play some games in the attack session. So the games which you play, so if you win from those games, you can easily, the money which you earn from that game will be sent to your wallet. And once you reach the minimum amount threshold, you can able to withdraw to your crypto wallet. So you can easily that you can see that the minimum amount to withdraw is 2 USDT. You can see that I have about 1.88 USDT. So once I reach the minimum amount to withdraw, I can be able to withdraw my USDT. So another way in which you can earn more passive is through invitation. All you need to do is to copy your invitation link, send it to your family, friends, your through Facebook groups, Twitter. Just go ahead and send your invite link to them, and also be able to claim free tickets which you can use to spin your wheel. So once you're able to spin the wheel, you can can also withdraw your amount, but remember that the minimum amount to withdraw is $2. And also lastly, before I forget, they also give you free daily spin. You can see that my daily spin is zero. I have about 48 minutes before the countdown ends. So once this countdown ends, I can able to claim my free one spin for daily. And also once I claim the free spin, I can able to spin the wheel and earn some few USDT. So for you to cash out, all you need to do is to go to where it says cash out. What you need to do is to paste your USDT TRC20 address. Once you paste it, you can able to cash out your money directly to your crypto wallet. So this is the update I want to talk about to you guys. So if you find this video more interesting or helpful to you, so don't hesitate to like and comment in my video, and also subscribe to my channel N Easy One and turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.